the Chief and the village elders, Honorable Assistant Minister, Permanent Secretary, Special Administrator Suva City Council, Special Administrator Nasinu, Special Administrator Lemmy, CEOs, invited guests, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bulavinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. At the outset, I would like to thank the village elders for the welcome ceremony. Vinaka. Let me say that how thankful I am for all of your presence here this afternoon. Because today, it's an historical day as far as environment is concerned in this country. There has been a lot said about environment. There has been a lot said about rubbish, but nothing was coming forward. And today we will unveil this program. Allow me to make a special acknowledgement to the community representatives for your continuing partnership with government in ensuring that we keep our settlements and intend Fiji free from litter. Promoting a clean environment has been one of the priorities of my ministry, and a number of new initiatives have been combined with strengthening existing solid waste management awareness and collection programs. Municipal councils have been one of the agencies which has been strengthened and has been relied upon to create awareness. Record shows that the municipal councils today run more than 250 clean schools program across Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to announce that this also includes our rural school. Before we were just concentrating on urban schools, but now we have gone to rural schools to include them in this program. Municipal councils have a close and lasting relationship with local Itoke village, both in their boundaries and the adjoining areas. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to note that Fijian municipal councils provide kitchen waste collection service to 28 villages in urban areas across Fiji. In addition, services have also been extended to informal settlements within town and city boundaries, with service provided for almost 80 such settlements across Fiji. From 2015 onwards, councils in Fiji have added free pickup of green waste and white goods as part of its solid waste collection program. Free pickup of green waste and white goods has become a popular quarterly service, with ratepayers and citizens looking forward to the free pickup service. Last year, the 4 pickup generated almost 3,700 tons of green waste and white goods. This was serviced at a cost of just over $405,000. The Ministry for Local Government, Housing and Environment has been very much part of this program, contributing an annual grant of $100,000, and for the central municipalities even allowing 100% subsidy on gate fee. For the year 2018, a more comprehensive planned free pickup of green waste and white goods is planned. Municipal councils will work hand in hand with ratepayers and citizens to ensure that the benefits are mutual. The first quota free pickup of green waste and white goods will start from this week and onwards. Some of the municipal councils have already started. And here I would like to urge all our ratepayers, please cooperate with the municipal council staffs. What you need to do is to clean your yard and bring all those rubbish and pile in front of your compound. That's what you need to do. Council will come in and council will pick all those rubbish within the cleanup campaign time. And we have been doing this for last couple of years, and we have seen that there has been a degree of improvement, and we will continue to do this. Ladies and gentlemen, as I have said, that the ratepayers should take advantage of this free pickup program and become part of cleaning and greening of our townships. Your municipal councils are there to assist in this free pickup and drive, and please work closely with your respective municipal councils in driving this program. Government is committed to address solid waste management challenges. To build capacity, government has injected investment to purchase 6 9-ton compactor trucks worth $1.4 million to Nasinu, Nasori, Lemi, Pa and Nendi municipalities to assist in the waste collection. We are working closely with the Embassy of Japan, who have recently donated 2 9-tons compactor trucks and have been providing JICA volunteers to the municipal councils to assist in environment programs. Ladies and gentlemen, it is clear that in Fiji, with the larger urban population, we will see higher and higher volumes of waste. And that's why we are here this afternoon, because of the amount of rubbish that is generated. Apart from the government and municipal solid waste management services, there needs to be individual responsibility. I've been saying this for quite a long time, that it has to be a collective effort to keep our environment clean. We have to have civic pride to make our communities and settlements clean. Protecting the environment and Fiji's beauty is always a challenging task. We all know improper waste management, pollution and litter cuts across all sectors. The municipal councils have continued to provide waste collection in immediate areas outside their boundaries. That is Peri-Urban. Collection services in areas outside municipal boundaries commenced in July 2015 in Tacirua East area, whereby around 50 tons per month of waste is collected. There were a lot of blame game that who is responsible for collecting the rubbish at that point in time. And we have said as a ministry that we will have to put a stop to this blame game. And let's not our people suffer for the rubbish that is been put here and there. And we have moved in and started that program in 2015. Today's launch, however, is the first formal unveiling of waste collection services in Peri-Urban areas. We basically have now gone out of our way to see that we assist the residents who are residing in the Peri-Urban. Ladies and gentlemen, this waste is now properly disposed of at the landfill in Nomboro, which otherwise would have ended up in our drains, creeks, rivers, roadsides and even in our own backyards, creating multiple environmental and health risks. The benefits of the communities with regular collection services are: general sanitation of the community is improved and more land would be made available for farming or extension of settlements. My ministry is also involved in formalizing informal settlements, and we have witnessed the amount of rubbish that's been thrown in the creeks and the rivers. Sometimes I don't blame them because facilities has not been provided. So now we will provide these skip bins to all the settlements, villages, and we would like to see that we work hand in hand to keep our environment clean and tidy at all times. Ladies and gentlemen, government has decided to activate waste collection services in Peri-Urban areas as a priority to ensure that we provide for a healthier Fiji. Today, as we launch the collection of household garbage in Peri-Urban settlements in the Central Division, I would like it to be noted that currently these settlements do not have a structured system of collection. After services are provided to an initial 10 settlements, the waste collection will then be extended to cover 20 Peri-Urban settlements in the Central Division. And let me assure the residents in other division that slowly but surely we will address this issue. We will have a 3-month trial here in the Central Division, and after the successful operation, we will extend these services to the Western Division and Northern Division. Ladies and gentlemen, as I mentioned earlier on, you also have to take responsibility and contribute towards waste management. It should not be left to the municipal or government authorities. We need your support to ensure that the collection service is done properly and regularly. And here I would like to thank, on behalf of government, I want to thank the elders, village elders, the residents, for coming forward in this effort to keep our environment clean and tidy. I want to thank the municipal council staff. Apart from their own duties, now there will be extra responsibility for the municipal councils to move in to the Peri-Urbans. And I would like to see that this is a successful operation, and it can only happen if we all will work together. And I have got no doubt in my mind whatsoever that all those who are concerned will come together and work towards this program. Please look after the skip bins. Only dispose household waste and ensure that industrial and commercial waste are not placed into these bins. Skip bins will be collected weekly, but if the need arises, we will increase the rate of collection. I therefore call on you, our community leaders, to take ownership of this initiative and contribute towards the sustainable solid waste management practice. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I have now much pleasure in launching the first quota national municipal free pickup of green waste and white goods, and also launching of solid waste services in Peri-Urban areas for the Central Division. Vinaka and